Coming to a theater near you whenever we coming soon. We finna add some more on top of this. When the rest of the parts come in, we're gonna be on the low, we're gonna be on the top, we're gonna be in the upper. Oh man, it's gonna be terrible. Yeah, we still hear Money's car stereo, getting it in, light. Just got the bag lids in from the paint. My man Freed hook it up, man, at East Bay Collision, man. I'm telling you, he do some awesome color matches. Look at that. Look at that. Now, you can't tell what that is. And he fast too. I'm just saying, how's my boy Fred, East Bay Collision. You've seen him on my videos. But yeah, so we over here putting some lids, some lowers. We already got sound, but we're gonna do a turn to a 3.5. Yeah, stay on for this one. My man don't like to be out and about too much, but he does ride from time to time. But he said, Rob, I need all the shit you got. Give it to me. I'm like, all right, pay the cost to be the boss. Can't open the bags. So that's part of the G14 classified systems. We don't open the bags on that. But yeah, we gotta go. Stay tuned. Coming soon.
She's the one, the only one. Girl, like a neck on the line. The clothes you wear, her sexy ways, make a old man wish for younger days. Yeah. She knows she's built and knows how to please.
That's all we can get you tonight. I'm about to stop for now. I want to hear it outside, nothing around it, to get the final details worked out. But until then, you know what they say in the song. Wait, is this the version with Beyonce with him? Let's wait and see. Yep, it's that one. We gotta go. Good night.
God for the thugs too.
Yep, I think it's time to end it with this song here.
Yeah, what's up? What's saying though? So we go to the club, nigga.
R.I.P. we just killed the club. Took the tone out the bottle, almost killed the thug. When I'm so high, I can't feel the truck. Too many haters in the air, I don't feel the love. Look, R.I.P. R.I.P. Yeah, R.I.P. Yeah, R.I.P. What? R.I.P. we just killed the club. Yeah, R.I.P. Brand new drop top Roy with 3 bitches. Tight to be in the middle of the trial with 3 snitches. We hit up every club in your city where niggas at. I be in every club in the hood where niggas at. Pull up, jump out, stunned like I was baby on my cocaine cowboy shit. Like in the 80s, who the nigga think he is? Slick Rick, that ain't a game. Think he rock him or something, look at his chain. Wild stuff from head to toe. Who the fuck is you? I look at those for me, man. Look at you, look at it. Look at the nigga. Tell me right now, nigga, what you wanna do? 20 billboards in the city, who the fuck is you? I DM all of your bitches when I'm in the mood. Quick to blow all of the keys.
You know, I could run farther, but why? You get the meaning.
Got your bitch so wet, I'm stepping out in rain boots. Thought it was Obama where I came through. I'm talking different comments from them lame dudes. I'm printing paper, boy, I even wrote a book. I got 10 million cash, what you wanna look? I gotta have a kilo in my money collar. And if I pull that Nina, boy, you got a problem. Richest nigga down in Florida like I hit the lotto. It's amazing in the mood. Quick to blow 100 keys, yeah, that boy food. My bad, dog. Line him up. Yeah, let him do it while I'm doing my verse. Fuck it. Then after that, we can do it. You know, what up? Hey, record all that. We say he thugging, boy. That shit ain't adding up. I'ma keep on fighting, cause these niggas ain't mad enough. Bitch, I'm never born poor. Shit, my money keep adding up. I'ma keep on thumbing through.
My name's Car Stereo. We're done. We on to the next one. Gotta go.